In this video, I'll show you how to create a custom file classifier to protect sensitive documents that are unique to your business without using brittle or noisy regex or requiring custom model tuning. So Nightfall already includes about 25 file classifiers. You can find them here under detectors documents. Things like customer lists or resumes or invoices, contracts. My favorite is source code, internal source code. But many of our customers have asked us, hey, or have told us, hey, we have other business critical documents that don't fit these categories, or we require more specificity in our classification to support a specific business workflow. And hey, that's where our prompt-based file classifier really shines. So let me show you some examples of files that we might look for. So in this example, our fictitious company is Hyperbolic Mortgage, and we want a classifier that looks for mortgage applications, completed mortgage applications. Now, you can imagine in the business workflow, they have other financial documents that might look similar, like a business loan or a small business grant application. All three financial documents and would be detected by our financial classifier, but they specifically want one for mortgage applications. So let's look to see how we would do that. So in detection detectors, we would select custom detector and then choose file classifier prompt-based. So this opens up our prompt-based detector designer view. And in here, I will start filling out some of this information. So first, I will provide a name. Next, I will provide a prompt. And in this prompt, I'm telling Nightfall exactly what I want to look for. So a mortgage application, but it's completed. The document should contain stuff around the borrower's information, personal, employment, income, assets, etc. And then finally, the context in which this document might be used. So for mortgage origination process, and it doesn't include finalized loan agreements or closing documents. So next we include some keywords. And then finally, we upload a sample document that's a sanitized document that follows the same format and has the same content in it. And then lastly, we test the prompt just to make sure that we've provided enough information that Nightfall can be confident that it understands the customer's issue and can classify this document type with high confidence. Great. So then I create the detector. I would add it to a detection rule and then to a policy. Now I've already done that, and I'm going to demo this live with Slack policy. So here I'm going to drag and drop the three files we looked at earlier. Now this Slack policy has both the financial file classifier turned on and our new mortgage application detector turned on. So here are the three files. We have two negative samples plus our mortgage application. So let's go ahead and send those and jump back into Nightfall and watch them get detected. So in just a few seconds, just a few seconds, I'm starting to pick up detections. There's three detections. And the first one on the list says it's our mortgage application. It's both a financial file, so it triggered our financial detector, as well as our custom mortgage application detector. That's awesome. That's exactly what we wanted to have happen. Now let's check our negative samples. So here's our grant application, again, financial file, but not a mortgage application. And our business loan application, again, financial file, not a home mortgage application. Fantastic. So it worked. In just a couple minutes, you saw how we could extend Nightfall AI with a user prompt, something that everybody can create, We detected a document based on intent. We didn't provide like a list of entities or a regex list of patterns. And we distinguished that document from other lookalike documents and enabled this business to protect intellectual property or its confidential documents in a unique, very specific way.